Hello students, take down the dictation of phraseography. Ready. Like this, like you, long standing, long term, long way, low price, make them, making it, may be able to, may have, may not be able to, may please be, members of parliament, more and more important, more and more people, more money, more or less, more than, most important, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Speaker, Sir, much more, much obliged, must be, my dear friends, my mind, my own, nationalized banks, national life, newspapers, next week, no doubt, non officials, non plan, no one, not able to make, notebooks, note that we have, not known, not merely, not only, not possible, notwithstanding the, no wonder, number of people, of course, of my friends, of our company, of our country, of our own, of that place, of the country, of the fact that there are, of the government, of the house, of the members, of the press, of the society, of the world, of those who, of your class, on account of that, on account of the, on certain, one of our, one of the, one of those who are, one of your, one or two, 1 year ago, on his, on Monday, on the other hand, on this account, on this matter, on this occasion, on your own, our company, our government, our own, out of place, out of the, outside the, over and above, overcome the, over dependence, overdo, overlook the, overnight, over the, over them, percent, percentage, pointed out, pointing out, point of view, point out, policy matters, present government, Prime Minister of India, private sector, profit and loss account, public sector, put forward, railway station, rate of interest, rate of tax, rate of taxation, rather than, raw materials, receiving the, reception committee regards the, Reserve Bank of India, ruling party, sales tax, school education, school and colleges, second instant, select committee, self-confidence, self-employment, self-help, self-madness, self-sufficiency, setting up, shareholders, short term, short time, should be able to, should be glad, should have, should not be, 6 months, small scale, so as to make it, so far as the government, some important matters, so that so that they, so that they may, so that we can, so that we may be able to. Standard of living, state governments, statements of accounts, state of affairs, supplementary demands, supplementary estimates, supply the, taken into consideration, take note, taken over, taken up, take up, take up the, taking into consideration, 10 years, textbooks, thanking you, thank you, that has been, that have been, that he has, that he would, this is, that is not enough, that is taken, that is the, that is why, that it can be, that it is impossible, that it is my, that it is necessary, that it is not merely, that it is not possible, that it may not, that it seems, that it should be, that it was, that it will be, that it will not be, that it would be, that it would not, that may be, that may not be, that such, that the government, that there, that the members, that there are, that there has been, that there have been, that there is indeed, that there is need, that there is no great, that there may be, that there should be, that there was no, that they are, that they have not, that they were, that they will be, that they would, that this government, that this is the, that this kind, that this would not, that was, that we are not, that we are now, that we are unable to, that we can, that we cannot, that we did, that we do not, that we do not want, that we had, that we have, that we have been, that we have not been able to make, that we may be, that we must, that where, that we shall be pleased, that we want, that we were, that we will be able to, that we will be glad, that will be, that you are aware, that you are interested, that you can, that you have, that you should be, that you will be, that you will continue, that you will find, their own, on the other, there are, there can be, there has been, there have been, there is much more, there is no doubt, there is no reason why, there is nothing, there is the, there is, there may be, there must be, there should be, there should not be, there was, there were, they have been, they must be, they want, they were, they will be, they will grow, they would not be, this city, this country, this government, this has been, this is done, This is not the, this kind, this place. Three kinds, three or four, 3 years, throughout the, through the, time and again, time limit, to bear in mind, to believe that, to be the, to break up, to bring about, to carry out the, to change the, to choose the, to come over, to come up, to criticize, to deal with this, to deliver the, to draw your attention, to face the, to fight them, together with the, to get the, to give you, to improve the, to keep the, told them, to let you know, to look after the, to maintain the, to messrs, to my letter, to provide, to raise the, torchlight, to reach the, to receive the, to receive your, to rouse the, to solve the, to some extent, to state that we will be able to supply the, to supply you. Thank you, students. This is the part 2 of 1000 phrases, and the last part will be part 3. Please practice these phrases daily so that you will be able to write faster. Thank you so much.